How to set a biometric login on Zengo wallet. Are you guys facing issue to set a biometric login on Zengo app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open the Zengo app on a mobile device. Once you open the app, log in your account using email link. Tap on your profile icon or go to settings icon. Just simply tap on security, which is usually located at the right bottom of your screen. Tap on it. After you click on security, now tap on recovery kit. Now select 3D face lock. After you select it, select the option equating the preference. Now tap on biometric security. Click on continue. On this screen, choose either Face ID or Fingerprint, depending on your device. Follow the on-screen instructions to scan your face or fingerprint. The scan is complete. Zengo will securely enable it as a way to unlock your wallet instantly on future logins. This step adds convenience and peace of mind. No street phrases is needed, and Zengo biometric scan becomes one of the recovery factors in their security recovery kit using the MPC plus 3-factor authentication model. You can add a backup trusted face scan to ensure recovery flexibility if your face changes over time. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna add Face ID or fingerprint in Zengo Wallet. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.